Okay, so for building your kitchen and filling in all of your stuff, so you're going to use your floor plan that you created on paper from earlier this week to use as your design. And you can edit it a little bit as you bring stuff in if you see that it's not working. But I'm going to show you kind of the basics of where you can find the different elements to bring in and things like that. So I'm going to go to Insert, Load Family. So in here, um, under casework is where you can find your base cabinets and wall cabinets if you want those for your kitchen, and tall cabinets. So in base cabinets, there are like two bin or like two drawer, four drawer, a corner, two door, a sink one with two door. You're not going to want to use vanities for like the bathroom. So like if I bring in a sink unit, I'm going to click open. And then now that is over in our families and casework. So what might be the easiest is just to load a bunch of those or all of them, just so you have them all here easy to grab. And then it gives you all the different sizes that they come in. So then you have those ready to go. So I'm just going to throw in a 42-inch. I'm just going to plop it in the middle. So that's where your cabinets are, is under casework. So base cabinets and wall cabinets. So we have upper, corner, tall, all these different upper ones, filler, single door. So all of those different cabinets for you guys to play with. So let me go and grab my sink since I have that hole in there. So I'm going to go down to plumbing, architectural, fixtures, sinks. So these ones, it gives you sink, kitchen, island. So you want to use one of the ones that say kitchen. So if you want a double basin, one for the island, a single basin, triple basin, those are probably going to be the ones that you want. I'm just going to do a single, kind of go for like the farmhouse sink look. So I'm going to click open. So now that is down in my plumbing fixtures, sink, single kitchen, and I can drag that in here. All right, so load family. So one thing or something that you're going to need a lot of is all of the different appliances. So you might notice like there's not appliances or like kitchen. So it's actually under specialty equipment. And then in here, domestic. And then there's high end and mid range. These kitchenettes are like if you were to have like an apartment type thing in your kitchen or you just want something really, really basic. These are like set to where you can't move these things around at all. It's kind of like set up just like that. So you can choose high end or mid range. I'm going to start in mid range here. So then you can find all of your different cooktops. These would go like on top of a cabinet. We have our dishwasher. You probably aren't going to have a dryer in your kitchen. That's not very conventional here for us. A double oven, microwave oven, regular oven, a range. So this has the oven and this is an electric top or a gas top. So it's kind of all in one there. Refrigerator doors, all kinds of different things. So I'll just grab this refrigerator side by side. So then that is in specialty equipment refrigerator, and this one only has that one dimension. So maybe I have my refrigerator going over here. And you might notice that there is those double, like this little double line on the front. That's showing you where the front of the appliance is. So another kind of example, like the dishwasher. You can see that one also had like the two lines in the front. That shows you where the front of it is. So that's how you could find all your different cabinets, your appliances. Is just in here under domestic. You can look at high end and see there's some different things in here. So now we have a hood, which is helpful for like above your range, different sizes of things. If you want a fancy coffee system, there's a lot more refrigerators in here, trash compactor, all kinds of stuff. So you can look through all of those. There are also countertops, so if you want to do anything with that, there are some built-in shapes in here. So the countertops is in that casework category also. Shelving, probably not super helpful. Tall cabinets. So sometimes like a pantry type situation in your kitchen is there. So really, you're gonna have to design your kitchen like how you did your layout that we practiced. If you need to modify a little, you want to add an extra things, that is totally fine. Or maybe you found out that what you did on paper isn't actually going to work in here. If you want to add any windows, feel free to do that. Like I'd want a window over my sink. That's always kind of nice. So once you kind of lay it out, if you want to add in anything like that or island seating, things like that that you have, and then you're going to turn in an updated floor plan of this so you can create on your sheets. It should automatically update um, what you have in there. So if you just open up your sheets again, it should have all your kitchen stuff filled in. And then I would also like to see a 3D view of your kitchen so that we can see what it looks like. So you might want to open up a wall so that we can see what's going on and see fully in there what it is. So update, so your sheets, your floor plan sheet, and an updated 3D view sheet so that I can see your kitchen.